Welcome to the September 2022 @Realty Market Update, your guide to staying up to date on the Australian property market. As we finish winter and move into the spring selling season, @Realty agents across the country have continued to help their clients transact over $285 million of property in August. Despite the negative sentiment mainstream media continues to push around interest rates and inflation, the Australian property market simply cannot be categorized into one market. Rather, a combination of many smaller markets that have all performed differently over the past 3 months. Sydney continued to lead the downswing, with values falling 2.3% over September. Brisbane prices fell by 1.8%, Hobart and Canberra both slightly by 1.7%, and Melbourne was down 1.3%. However, holding resilient is the Perth market, only dropping 0.2%, and Adelaide only by 0.1%. Despite these numbers, it's easy to forget that only 5 months ago, the Brisbane housing market peaked after recording a 42.7% boom in values, a record amount of growth, so a slowdown is to be expected. The spring selling season is the first full season without COVID restrictions holding back buyers, and will be the first real test of the property market since interest rates started to rise. We expect to see a lift in new listings across the country and an emergence of more buyers. For sellers, although there's less buyers than last year, the research shows that those pricing homes to meet buyer expectations, coupled with a strong marketing campaign, are still achieving quick sales. This is achieved through a deep understanding by the agent of how to present their property to market and utilizing the extensive buyer database that's shared across the @Realty network, a unique capability of @Realty agents in Australia. The rental market across Australia's capital cities and regional areas remained extremely competitive in August, with the overall vacancy rate maintaining 0.7%. This will likely see more tenants struggle to find a home within their budgets and further rising rents. Increased rents, although tougher for renters, will be welcomed by investors, as yields will continue to rise and bring more investors back into the market. For commercial investors, we have agents across the country presenting some great value listings, like this 30-room site in Brisbane that's just gone under contract and gives a yearly return of $270,000 with future development potential. It's one of the many listings our commercial agents are bringing to market every week. You can find more deals like this on our website, representing a fantastic investment opportunity for those in the commercial space. Now to some finance news. The RBA is expected to raise rates by another 75 basis points in September, and the cash rate is forecasted to reach above 3% by the end of 2022. However, we've now started seeing banks reduce their fixed rates to as low as 4.79% for a 4-year term, attempting to grab market share, and we expect to see more banks continuing this trend in the coming months. This is great news for those worried about future rate hikes, so speak with our finance team today who can help you refinance your home loan. If you are still looking to purchase and you haven't spoken to your bank in the past 3 months, it's likely your lending criteria has changed. So we'd recommend doing a health check to shop with confidence and to confirm your original borrowing capacity hasn't changed. That concludes our September market update, covering residential, commercial, rental, and finance-related news around the Australian property market. If you have any questions regarding the Australian property market, visit our website @realty.com.au or contact your local @Realty expert. They'll have detailed knowledge of your marketplace and are ready to help you achieve your property goals. We look forward to helping you on your property selling journey, and we'll see you for next month's property market update.